Hey everybody, welcome. My name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I will show you how you can easily add photo to your Canva project. So I open a Canva project here, and what you want to do is to click upload, and then you will have here upload an image or video. Click on it, and then I have a dog here. So I'm going to choose a dog. Okay, and it uploads, and here I have it. Really easy, really simple, and really high resolution. What I really like about Canva, how fast it is and how lean it is. This is crazy to me to see. So this is how you can add a doggy or whatever. You can also upload, I have a logo here, Land Love, Best Gardener. So this is how you can do it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you know how it goes. You can support and subscribe. I'll be really thankful for that. Thank you. Have a great day and see ya.